Welcome, I'm from the Xiaomi POCO X4 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, you'll want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using just a home screen right here as an example for this. So there we go. So once you have your content open and visible, simply hold power key and volume down at the same time. This will give you this pop-up right here with two options. We can send or scroll. Now, for a scrollable screenshot, you need to have content that can be scrolled. So as an example, settings. There we go. So we can click on scroll and it starts automatically slowly scrolling down. You can tap on it to stop it from doing so, and you can do it yourself however far down you want. From there, click on done, select allow, and save it right over here. This will save a long version of the screenshot. And those screenshots that I've captured can be found in the gallery application. So we have just a normal photos right here. It's right here, or under albums, it will create a screenshots folder. And as you can see, there's the scrollable screenshot, and here's the normal one. So that is how you could capture a screenshot on this phone. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.